Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Lakeland induction hob. So we'll just get straight on with it and get her out the box. They certainly put them in a big box with lots and lots of paper. Oh, and in a big box, what do we get? A small box. Isn't it like Christmas when you open boxes? Right, let's have a look. Does it look as though it's been opened previously? No. Mark in there. No, my luck with everything I buy, usually it ends up having to go back. So I'll be very careful with the end. It doesn't look as though it's been opened by anybody else, but oh, even comes with a carrier. Oh, and that does look nice. Look at that. Look at the cool. Now, this sets you back £100. So bear in mind, at the moment, you can get a special deal with 30 quid off. So let's get her open. So let's have a look what's in the box. Polystyrene. I'll just take that out. Now I'm not seeing the instructions for this, but I guess there must be one somewhere. Take it around that way. And with it you get an instruction booklet. Now if you're not up to speed with an induction hob, you have to use special bowls and things on it. But let's give you some idea. I've not read the instructions. Timer, hot pot, frying pan, stir fry, simmer, boil, keep warm, a mode for some description, and I guess this is actually something to do with the heat. So, and I thought that must be to lock. So now I haven't read the manual, so I'm taking it for example. If you've got a temperature and you want to lock it, you'll lock it with this. But it does look very nice. What I like about it is very thin. So there you go guys. Small box, it looks the kit. Now I'd probably recommend this to you to try out, but I'm going to test it and let you know how I get on with it. So it's probably the same as Tilfan, and that was 49 quid, all but a few pennies. And obviously this is £100, all but a few pennies. So it does look the business. But there you go guys, there's your unboxing. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel, and I'll show you how I'm using this. Laters!